I'm here to celebrate the Punggol festivals with at the Brown Estate, organised by YB Ravin, and this is also together with the residents of this Kampung Buah Pala, where actually I'm supposed to come at 4 PM, but then because of I rush off for the funeral of the Sultan of Johor, and that's why we had to put it a bit earlier. But I'm sure it'll be a very festive occasion. There are so many programs available, and I think this shows that the spirit of Kampung Buah Pala, as represented by the residents in Buah Pala, still lives on. And we will await the day when they will move back to Buah Pala when the 24 double-storey houses are completed. And I think what has happened to Buah Pala is also indication of the wrongs in the past that we are trying to correct, especially in the Bun Som verdict by the Federal Court 2 days ago, which has corrected a grievous and grave error, a grievous wrong and a grave error. Because under the ruling made by the Tun Yusof Chin, it actually sanctioned and legalized conmen and cheats who steal people's land. That's if you forge your title and they sell the land, you cannot reclaim and get back your land even though you have been cheated. Now this position has been corrected by the Federal Court by Tun Zaki, where in his latest ruling he said that if any conman forge your land titles and sell it to a third party, you as a land owner still have all your rights. You can still reclaim your land, your house and your title deeds and property. Now we do not want to see what happened in these cases where a lot of injustice has been done. The court has taken a long time to correct it, just as the people must stand up to correct these wrongs, which they have done on the Buah Pala incident, where the land was sold to a developer. Not only was it sold at very cheap rates, and it was sold at very cheap rates at 20 ringgit per square feet. It was given another 50% discount. Sold cheaply, never mind, give some more 50% discount. And everything was signed, everything was transacted, everything was done by the previous government. We only had no choice, even though the land was transferred during our time, but we had no choice because this was all just administrative. As I said, just as you buy a house, when you sign the document, it is only administrative and automatic that the land title has to be registered in your name. So all this has happened. As I said, we have still managed to maintain the village by ensuring, or the original site of the residents by ensuring that they stay back in Kampung Buah Pala, and we await the day when they will move back to Buah Pala, and we'll see that the Buah Pala, not only the spirit lives on, but the Lorong Buah Pala, which is the actual name, the Lorong Buah Pala will also live on. So once again, let us correct these injustices, especially relating to land scams, whether in courts or by the people. And we hope that if the courts can correct it together with the people, then I think we can be assured, we can have guarantees of our rights as property owners. We can prevent conmen and cheats from stealing our land. I think Ravin will have more to add on that later. I want to once again praise the spirit of Buah Pala residents. I praise Santa, I praise the residents here, and I wish everybody a happy Pongal festival. Thank you very much.